change can be good. No, it don't make you weak. Someday